Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the TPMS reset on this Infinity Q30. All you need to use is the arrows, the OK and the back button there. And to start with, if you just click the button to the right, that'll bring the menu up. And if you scroll across to where it says Serve, press OK, and then you can scroll down to Tyre Pressure. Now press OK, and sometimes you'll get the actual tyre pressures displayed, or if it hasn't quite registered them, you'll get this message up. But either way, if you just click the down arrow, and it'll ask if you want to use the current pressures as the new reference. Just confirm with OK again, and that's reset. And you can just press the back arrow to go back. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.